TPI is printed on every Jigsaw blade pack, and most people either ignore it or just guess. Here's exactly what it means, and why getting it wrong is probably ruining your cuts. TPI stands for teeth per inch, literally how many teeth are packed into every inch of the blade. The rule that covers everything: more teeth equals slower cut, cleaner finish. Fewer teeth equals faster cut, rougher finish. Everything else is just applying that rule to different materials. So 6 TPI, wide aggressive teeth, barely 6 of them in an inch. Built for one thing: ripping through material fast. Softwood, rough framing timber, construction lumber. The cut will be rough, chunky tear out, splintered edges, not for anything that will be seen, but for cutting timber to rough length, it just ploughs through it. 10 TPI, the middle ground, and the one you'll reach for most often. Teeth are notably finer, but still plenty of bite. Works well on plywood, MDF and hardwoods. Anywhere you need decent pace, but you also care about the edge. Good all-rounder for most general DIY. 20 TPI. Teeth are tiny, you can barely make them out individually. This is your finishing blade. Use it when the cut edge will be on show. Hardwoods, laminate floors, veneers, visible edges. Cuts slower, but the edge quality difference is significant. Drop your speed setting on the tool to match. 24 TPI bimetal. Different beast entirely. 2 steels fused together. Flexible body that absorbs shock without snapping. Hardened teeth that stays sharper significantly longer. This is your metal cutting blade. Aluminium, copper, thin steel, sheet metal. Fine tooth count is critical on metal. Coarse teeth on metal grab, overheat, and the blade is destroyed in seconds. Speed 1 or 2 on the tool, always. Add cutting lubricant on steel. So that's a rundown on what TPI means and which each one is best for. Thumbs up if it helps, subscribe for more quick blade guides, and see you in the next one.